Good afternoon from the Magic Kingdom parking lot. Right now we are headed inside to check out the brand new Tron Light Cycle Run vehicles they have on display. There's two of them. You can sit on them and test them out. It's interesting that they have them here this early because the ride's not opening probably until summer of 2021, but I'm not complaining. We're gonna go check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video though. Make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss any Disney news, all these Disney videos, and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so we came in the queue line of the Barnstormer to get a closer look. If you are outside the queue, you have to stop all the way back down there. But if you come in the queue, you can walk all the way up here and literally the same exact view. Up here, they still have that Tron Now Programming sign. And a lot of stuff has changed with the building, but you can't really tell because it's still a bunch of steel and metal. And then all the way out here, they finished the outside track. And it is a lot of track, to say the least. They have started work though on that canopy. Right up here, all these supports are for the canopy, but it'll be a while until we see that go more vertical. But a lot of stuff's going on over here. Work has started on enclosing that building, the steel going down the sides. But yeah, that's a good view from here. If you want to check it out, come in the queue of the Barnstormer. Here we go. Here's our Tron construction update. You can see those pillars down there. Those are the supports for that giant canopy that's going to go over the track. This giant white slash gray track out here, that's the outdoor section. This is the launch right here. Then you go up inside up there. So that's the very beginning of your ride right here. The most intense part, probably the most fun part too though. It's always awesome coming up here and getting this view because it's really the only spot you can get a view of it, and that is the launch direct center of your screen. And we will be able to get another view once we come out of Space Mountain. So, one more quick look. Alright, here are the Tron vehicles on display by the Space Mountain gift shop. Pull it in and it'll go on your back. You can see how it works right here. Does it feel weird? Yeah. It does feel weird? Yeah. I wonder if these are like the exact vehicle or if they're like a prototype. But they're very cool. These rings light up at nighttime. But yeah, if you want to check these out, come over by the Space Mountain gift shop exit. They're on display waiting for you to ride. They also have a sign over here showing the loading procedure. So the person on the right goes right here and then the other person goes around to the other side. And then back here it says Now Programming Tron Light Cycle Run, presented by Enterprise. Here's a better look at where the vehicles are. Should be able to get a view of them from here. There they are. Now Programming, ready for 2021 launch. They're doing a lot of work in the Space Ranger Spin queue line. That's where the old entrance used to be up there. They moved it over here and they filled in the wall. And also you're being separated now by this temporary wall. You can see it's being pulled up by a green wooden plank, so this will be interesting. I guess that used to be the old entrance. They already filled it in very quickly, and then now you go in over there. Whoa. Oh. Alright, we're going for that galactic hero status. We're going for the inside of the robot's hand.
Inside of the orange robot's hand.
The far right one.
The far right one.
The back one.
The back one. The one furthest away from the...
You got one?
You
got two?
You get 100,000 for each one.
Three?
You got three in.
Four?
That one right there. You got
Five.
it again. So we already got 500,000.
Yeah, I'm going for the thing up here. We gotta go up on the ceiling.
500,000 and we just started.
The claw is 100K.
Got it.
Twice.
We got 700,000. We
going for the top of the volcano.
top of the volcano. This one up here.
Got it 4 times, so it's 25,000 each.
What are you gonna do when you get to 1 million? You got half the ride left.
Yeah. I'm doing too quick today.
You gotta go for that. This one up here. Not that one. That one. worry.
I'm already at 950. This thing is blocking me, the little creature. God! Caesar! I'm a little green friend too!
Alright, here's this. But how much is this one?
Bottom of the ship is 100K.
Bottom of that. Bottom of the ship. Where is it?
Bottom, very bottom.
Right there.
Got it, easy.
Right there.
Yep.
Maxed out.
Yes, sir.
That's the way Drew the Disney dude rolls.
1 milli. And I could have gotten like 400,000 more from that.
Yeah, so you guys want to shoot this one right there.
Very bottom,
right
where
there.
I'm sitting right now. I hit it like 2 more times. It still makes the sound, but yeah.
Don't waste your time on that.
We got it before the emergency escape hatch. So yeah. All right, everyone, that's gonna do it for our night here at Magic Kingdom. It's awesome that they have those Tron vehicles on display so early. If you are here, don't forget to check those out. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next Disney video. Peace.